I came across this new technique for baking wood in the oven, especially to darken white and really light colored wood. So I'm going to try it. I have one piece that's got a hole in it, so I'm going to use it as my test piece. So let's see what it does. Baking at 395. And here's the finished product. So it definitely darkened that up. I like that for just a test. Okay, I'm hooked on this, so let's try another one. We'll make another spoon and we'll cook it. Okay, that turned out awesome. I'm hooked. That was baking it in the oven. Piece of laurel head, so it was very white and light, but now it's nice and hard, dry, very light, and it just sucks the butcher block oil in. I haven't put any wax on it, but I'm just going butcher block oil on this one. Freaking love it.